Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GCP VPC routes in Cloud NAT configuration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Google Cloud console. Log into your Google Cloud account. Navigate to the VPC network section in the sidebar. Select the routes option to view your VPC routes. Review the list of existing routes. Identify any custom routes you have defined. Click on the route you wish to verify. Check the destination range of the selected route. Ensure the next hop is set to the correct instance or appliance. Verify that the priority of the route is appropriate for your needs. Next, return to the VPC network menu. Select Firewall Rules to confirm that relevant rules are in place. Ensure that the required traffic is allowed through the firewall. Now, navigate to the NAT Gateways section. Select Cloud NAT from the VPC options. Check the list of existing NAT configurations. Click on the NAT gateway you want to verify. Examine the NAT mapping to ensure it covers your VPC subnet ranges. Confirm that the cloud router associated with your NAT configuration is operational. Make sure that the auto-allocate ephemeral IPs is configured as needed. If you are using static IPs, confirm that they are correctly assigned. Review your configuration for any signs of misconfiguration. Perform a connectivity test from an instance within the VPC. Use ping or curl commands to validate external connectivity. Check the logs for any denied connections or errors. Finally, adjust any settings based on your findings to optimize your routes and NAT configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.